Hey Mike, hey Sergio. I just finished printing one of the GoPro mounts cases for the drone, I think. It's a little boogered up. My TPU printing is not perfected yet, but not looking too bad. I got cleaned up all the supports out of it, and there's some stringing. It's not great in areas, but I think it'll work. Just needs a little more cleanup. But this part took 13, almost 14 hours last night, so getting things done. And a lot of scattered little parts that I've already done over the last 2 weeks. Some of them I haven't taken supports out of yet. A lot of them I have. Still need a little bit of cleanup. A few more there. And I just started another print. Not sure which one this is, but trying to keep track of them. Got a little bit of numbering and system going on here. I just started the other day, so I can't lose track of them. Well guys, that's it for the moment. I'm going to send you this video. Hopefully you'll be able to see everything I've done so far. Take care.